I recently stumbled across a video of Cardi B making her favorite hair growth mask and how beautiful her hair looked after using this mask. So I thought I'd share this with you guys. So many incredible ingredients in this hair growth mask. I've used all but one over the years and they all yield incredible results. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I aim to bring you videos on minimalism, sustainability, self-care and self-development.
The reason I have so many videos on hair growth and hair health is that 1. You may not necessarily like the method or the ingredients I use in a particular video. 2. You may not have the ingredients I mention in a particular video. 3. You just like trying out various hair growth methods. 4. You may have already tried out some of the other techniques and feel they do not work for you and would like to find one that does work for you.
So other than the egg, banana and avo, she doesn't really measure out any of the other ingredients. Over the years, I've used all sorts of hair masks and I've used all the ingredients she mentions except for bananas. But I've heard wonderful things about bananas and how amazing it can be for your hair. And the riper, the better. I'm not going to go through the benefits of all the other ingredients as I do want to keep my video as short as possible and I don't want to bore you guys with too much information. But do check out my other hair growth videos should you be interested in those. The one thing I will say though is that after using mayo as a hair mask, although I gained great results in that I had super shiny and silky hair after using this mask, while washing my hair I did lose quite a bit of hair. I'm pretty sure the flavorings, thickeners and preservatives are not great for your hair. I'm also not a fan of oils as I feel there's a lot of hair fall during the shampooing process. So personally I would remove the mayo and use little to no oil, but that's just my opinion. You can use it exactly the way Cardi B used it and I'll link her video to the description box below. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and try it out. I'd love to hear back from you with the results. Until next time, be the change you want to see.